Good afternoon, Adrian. This is Steve with a post-repair video of your Fluidmotion controller. Underneath the tape is the old IC that I removed. The driven element drive IC was defective. I can tell that straight away by this circuit board you see plugged into the back of your controller. It has LEDs on it that indicate the presence, at least at the moment, of the DC holding voltage. And in a moment, when I press one of the band buttons, you'll see those LEDs get really bright as the voltage comes up to about 25 volts. And you'll see them flicker quickly as they would normally send drive signals to the EHU. Here's what I'm talking about. You can see both the driven element and the director LEDs illuminate quite brightly. This unit has software for 2 elements, so the reflector driver does not respond. And at any rate, this circuit board, I developed this to facilitate testing and evaluation of not only the controller but the EHU as well. A lot of guys have DB25s that are soldered onto the end of the cable, so making resistance measurements to the EHU is rather challenging. With this board, you can tap onto this terminal strip and do all your resistance measurements. And if you like, you can even bench test an EHU by wiring it up to this terminal strip as well. So it's actually a very versatile device. I have them for sale, $135 delivered. If you're interested, let me know. And meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up and get it on the way back to you. Thank you for your business.